Hey guys, when you ask me, I'm in my shelter. I got the Bush Buddy Solo type stove right there. Didn't fit exactly the way I wanted, but it's down in the stove. I got enough clearance here. It's raining very heavy out, like 52 degrees. It's cold, damp, chilly day. So I figured I wanted to put the stove in there, see how it worked in there. I got good ventilation up here if I have to. There's some openings over here. In fact, the heat's rising pretty good in there, but the smoke's going out there because I don't have this set up here, but I could set up real quick if I had to. But got my little pup in there. He's digging after something. Few drips here and there, but no, pretty dry. I see one occasionally, but it's raining pretty heavy and it's pretty dry. I'm going to waterproof this again too because I want to do some winter camping, but she's going up pretty good there. But okay, again, we're getting that should be fine. So we're getting the rain, but I could damper this down like so, and also I have my little pot holder thing here, but yeah, we're good, man. Dampened it down a little bit by putting the adapter on there, but she's throwing some heat and we're doing okay here. We're not burning down, but it's just a little thing. I'm gonna cook some tea, so I'll get back to you. The heat's nice. I don't feel anything coming out of here. I don't know, I can't tell. This is all fireproof right here, but when it gets lower it might. But there's a lot of openings right here, so. But I don't know, the dog's digging over something there. I don't know what she got going there. Just likes digging in the soil. So, but yeah, it looks pretty dry. So I'm happy with that, and it's raining pretty good. So, but I just figured I'd do a stove type thing here, something different, and it's really taking the chill out too. So, yeah, yeah. Gonna have a cup of tea and some yogurt. I got some food inside, but when I go in the house and go home, I'm behind my property here, so, but we'll do that. But I just wanted to do this, man. So we'll damp this down a little bit. Cool. Yeah. You hear the rain coming down. I don't know what she's doing there. Well, what are you doing, Maeve? Maeve, what are you doing there? It's okay. She's coming out of the rain. That's good, though. So she's going down a little bit here. We'll cook this down a little bit, and we'll get this tea going. I'll get back to you. So it looks like Maeve is just making a little nice place to lay down there. So that's good. That's some of the, I would call it more like straw, but from my ornamental grass. But yeah, so I got this cooking now. I did put a little bit, I had this stuff I was trying out, like a little fire starter to get it going. Didn't have to, but I don't want to fool around right now. It appears that stuff is a little smoky. I'm not crazy about that. But got some mint and some Imperial Earl Grey in a silk bag. Let's see here. Let's see if you can see it. Look at that, man. A silk bag. I gotta have nothing but the best there, Jack. Yeah. So yeah, I'll get this out of the way here. Got mint from my garden, but we're doing good now. But I can feed the stove from over here, so it's going good now. But we're cool. I'm not gonna put the top on right now. Something is in there. It must be this certain fire starter I tried, and it's kind of dirty. But I'll get back to you, man, when I have my tea. And I got my cooks are hanging right here. Got my little Alex teapot there. That's for my stove. Little glove if I need it. But yeah, we're staying dry, and the dog is staying out of the rain, and we're doing all right, man. Okay. Fire's cooking down nice. That's what I want. But I'm gonna put some more wood on it. Okay. So she's boiling up pretty good there. So I'm gonna take it off and get my cooksa. And we're gonna have some tea. And I got some crackers and stuff. Yeah, everything's a little shaky here. It's the first time I tried this setup. We got some nice tea here, Jack. Come on. Maybe accused of glamping, but I think this is gonna be a little hot. Oh, it tastes good though, man. Dirty day today, man. It's a dirty day. It's cool. Yeah, there you go, man. Well, I'm pretty happy with the situation here. Yeah, works out pretty good. Now in the winter, I'll have the stack going and stove fully going. But for now, a little quick test. Diddy. Got a little deflector I made from a Harney & Sons tea tin. So there you go. But top is from a herring top, and I threw it in the fire. I seasoned it and burned anything off it if there's anything on there. But yeah, we're looking pretty good. Taking the chill out. Nice and warm. What do you think? Hey, Mac. Mac. Oh yeah. She likes it. But there you go, man. So this is Quinn the Eskimo. We're doing fine here on this nasty, dirty day. Keep them warm. I think I'll leave the stove out here.